Vivo launched its new budget smartphone under Y series in India called Vivo Y28e with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y28e 5G features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 840 nits of peak brightness support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y28e 5G sports a dual-camera setup on the rear that houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the VGA sensor with f3.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y28e 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 10,999 Indian rupees, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 11,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in vintage red and breeze green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y28e 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.